Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Izzah binti Muhammad Zaki. Currently, I'm not working yet. I'm a student at UiTM. My weight is 70 kilogram and my height is 163 centimeters.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatiha binti Muhammad Zaini. I'm a full-time housewife. My height is 162 cm. My weight is 40 kg.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdul bin Muhammad Zaini. My height is about 163 centimeters and my weight is about 48 kilograms. I'm working as a software developer.
From my understanding, a balanced diet is our daily consumption of good food that carry a lot of good nutrients for our body.
A diet consisting of a proper quantity of proportion of foods needed to maintain health or growth.
Okay, now for the second questions, what I know about balanced diets. Balanced diet is a proper quantities of proportions of the needed nutrients to keep our good health. It must be balanced amount of proportion of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water intake.
Firstly, I ensure to drink plenty of water because hydration is the key. It's not just good for our body, it's also good for our skin. So I have this one special water bottle whereby I ensure to drink all of the water until it's finished before the end of the day. Second, I consume vitamin C, which is good for our immune system. I take vitamin C every day because I don't want to get sick easily, especially in the middle of this pandemic.
Never skip your mineral, fruits, and vegetable.
Okay, for the third question is about how I maintain my health. To be honest, I don't know because actually every meals I will never skip eating fruits, vegetables, and my water intake. Because fruits and vegetables is important source to various nutritions, vitamins and minerals. And then for water intake is just for my hydration. I need to keep myself hydrated.
My everyday meals consist of a good amount of protein, carbohydrates, and also fiber, which is vegetables. Currently, I'm trying to cut my carbohydrates. I'm not trying to take a lot of rice because I find that rice will make myself gain weight very easily. So I'm focusing on taking more protein than carbohydrates. As for my fiber, which is vegetables, I will make sure not to miss vegetables in any of my meal because vegetables helps my digestion and it avoids me from getting constipation. Secondly, I also ensure to avoid processed food like hot dogs or burgers because this kind of food is what leads to serious diseases like high blood pressure or diabetes or even obesity.
For breakfast, half-boiled eggs and milks. For lunch, rice, vegetable, either 3 chickens, meat or fish. For dinner, either boiled potato, spaghetti, macaroni with fruits.
What is my meal every day to maintain my diet? Okay, firstly, there is a quote where breakfast like a prince, lunch like a king, and dinner like a pauper. Using that quotes, really, when breakfast I will, every day before going to work, I will eat 2 half-boiled eggs and a cup of milk. And I will never forget my apple, because an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And then for lunch, when my break time during working, I always eat rice and fried chickens, but I never forget my vegetables, any kinds of vegetables. And then when I'm going back home and ready for dinner, I will cook a steamed broccoli with a rice, then a glass of water. I think that will maintain my diet. I don't know, it's just me.